Are you struggling to connect with the right customers? Updating your local services ads, or LSA ads, is crucial to ensure that you receive the leads you want. To effectively update leads, you need to track when appointments are set and if quotes are accepted. This should be done while the lead is fresh and done by someone who knows when the appointment is being set. This requires someone who is part of the sales process, aware of the status of that lead, who can keep this information current. Think of Google as a matchmaker. It helps connect you with potential customers seeking your services. Just like a marriage is the gold standard for a matchmaker, receiving a 5-star review is the ultimate goal after being paired with a lead from Google. At one click, our goal is to automate this for you. We are working every day to bring full AI automation to our local call generator clients. Just waiting on Google to catch up. To start updating your leads, start by going to Leads in the top left corner. Then be sure to sort your leads. Finally, click on a specific lead to update it. Let's start with messaging leads. We can send these leads to any number we choose. Although these are less expensive than phone leads, they are still charged to you, so they must be responded to. Engage with potential customers in real time when possible, and update their status in the LSA system. AI makes responding super easy, working around the clock in your style. Remember to update the lead with important information. This should be done as soon as possible, as Google knows when they are updated, and it's really hard to trick the smartest company on the planet. Make sure to rate each lead. This feedback is crucial for Google to understand the types of leads you prefer. Messaging leads are typically about 40% less expensive than live calls. Quick response time for all leads is essential. Real people are on the other end, ready to do business with you. AI excels in providing prompt and consistent replies, making your life easier. Now let's talk about updating phone leads. Be sure to fill in customer details like their name and email, along with any notes that might be helpful. Once again, it's vital to rate the lead to guide Google in making better matches for you. Your options include very satisfied, somewhat satisfied, neither satisfied nor dissatisfied, somewhat dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied. When it comes to rating the leads, think of it as feedback from your first date. Booking the appointment is critical and can be done by clicking the Edit button at the top right. Marking the lead as booked is extremely important. Completing the cycle, Google wants to track your interaction from the phone call to the appointment booking, all the way to receiving a 5-star review. This detailed tracking is the ultimate goal for achieving success in your business. Take action now. Start updating your leads today and enhance your connection with the right customers.